In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF in NAPS2. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open NAPS2 or NAPS2, whatever you want to call it. And then to compress a PDF, you actually have to adjust your profile's image quality settings or lower the DPI before scanning. That's important. You have to do this before you start scanning. So over here, if you already have a scanner, it's going to pop up like this here on the left, and you have to go to its settings. Click on the edit button. And then in here, there's two important things. The first one is going to be opening the advanced settings down here at the bottom, and at the very top you can see image quality. Now what you have to do over here is basically lower the quality percentage, okay? So by default it's going to be 75, at least it was for me. You want to lower this quality percentage, so go ahead and set it between like 60 and 80, somewhere between there. You could also do much less, but of course it's going to shrink the file size even more, but the image qualities are going to be way worse. So I'm actually going to put this to 60 right now, and that's already going to compress my file whenever I complete it. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. And then from here, what you can also do is change your resolution. So over here by default it's 100 dpi. If you can go lower, I can go to 75. You want to go to 75 as well. Now we can do this in here, or you can do it over here before actually scanning. You can click here or do custom and do even less, like maybe 25. But just know that your resolution and quality is going to be much worse when you do this. But of course your PDF is going to be compressed, and once you're done scanning, you can go and save the PDF. It's going to be much smaller in size. Okay, so that's kind of all the ways you can take to compress your PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.